Alright guys, here we are. We're in this 1930s built home. Not the best shape, not the worst shape really either, but it is an older home, obviously. We're here in the crawl space underneath the house. You know, you got your old concrete foundation, probably not got any reinforcement or rebar in it. And just want to show you a couple things I found already. First of all, you can see this whole foundation wall here is soaking wet. You can get up close here and look to see that it's all wet down here, coming down the wall. Insulation's all wet. In this case, we're probably not going to be able to find exactly what the cause of this is. You know, the pipe here doesn't look too bad. It's a copper pipe. But from what I can tell, we're underneath the kitchen, which had a big leak underneath it. So most likely it's a drain line, or sorry, a supply line causing this, because this is ongoing and still dripping. You can see it's been wet down here, all the way down this wall here too. So really just a wet spot, and definitely needs another look to make sure we can get this thing repaired. So the other thing I want to show you back on this other side here, in about 10 to 20% of the homes we inspect, we see some issues with termites or wood destroying organisms. I want to show you what we see here. So this is what we call a mud tube, typically caused by a termite. And what they do is these little termites, they'll build these little walls here, these little tubes along the wall. If I can get my flashlight to point. And they make these little tubes, and they'll come up the wall here. And this one's a little interesting because they've actually come in between these rocks, that we call it a rock pocket, on this foundation wall here. So they'll kind of work their way up. You can see that these tubes kind of go in between these rocks all the way up, and a little bit up here too. But so that's what's causing this. I'm not seeing any like obvious signs of termite damage here, but there is evidence of them being around. So we'll definitely put this out to this buyer here and make sure that they get a second look at this. So really just an interesting home in this crawl space here. Again, you know, we're missing vapor barrier. You got your water heater down here sitting directly on, basically on the ground there. So just fun stuff, you know. Home inspections are a good time. Anyways, hopefully that's helpful for you. Just good things to look for during the home inspection.